Right, this is a recording of how to use Jing. I get some terrible feedback, but on a Mac you get up here Jing, and you can use the tool here to highlight anything on the page that you want to highlight. And you can see down the bottom here you've got some options. And what I'm going to do is at this stage I'm going to capture an image. So I'm going to click on capture an image. And so I can now capture an image, and as you can see I've captured a part of the screen here, and I've got some options. I can choose the color of whatever I want to do. Let's just choose green. So now my arrow that I'm going to choose is going to be green, and I can point at things. I can add some text. So I'm going to change the color of my text and make it black, and I'm going to click in here and say this is text, and now I can move that around, make it look really cool. Okay, we can also add shapes. I'm going to choose the color of the shape, so I'll make it red. I'm going to highlight this player angle here, and so basically that's how we can annotate using Jing. So I'm going to give this a name now. I'm going to save this as, how am I going to save this as test file. Now I can save it to my desktop, save, and that's okay. So now I'm going to do it again with my screen capture tool, and this time I'm going to do a video, and this time I'm going to click a video, and what happens is it will count me down 1, 2, 3, and it's going to be recording my voice twice over. So now I'm recording my voice in the video, and I can do all kinds of things. I can move the whole site around, I can point at things, you can see my mouse moving, and at the same time I can talk about what I'm doing. So I'm going to just scroll back up and down here to my logo icon, and then you can see here I've got 5 minutes of recording time. I've recorded for 27 seconds. If I get tongue-tied I can pause, and then once I've gathered my thoughts again I can click on resume and it carries on again. So this is another great tool for you guys to use. So click finish, and I'm going to call this test. Okay, NX. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, rather than save it, I'm going to use this share via screencast.com. I'm going to click up here, and this little video is going straight up to Screencast. And so as that uploads, 6.17 megs, you can see that. I just move this out of the way. Whoops, I'm going to come to my Screencast page. So let's come to Screencast. And Screencast builds you, as part of Jing, your own logged in, your own place where my Jing files are. And so what we can do here is a whole library of stuff uploading, and my latest one's not there yet. It's still getting up here. It'll be here in a minute. And what we've got down here, I saw NX in it, test NX, there we go, look at that, it's already arrived. But it's arriving, it's waiting for it, and it tells a date, it's a couple of data, that's correct. But what I can do now is any of these things here can be embedded. So if I click on this video file here, scroll up, you can see details over here, and then down the bottom you can see there's the share and there's the embed code, and so now I can put that entire video into my site. So providing you know how to embed, that's all good.